This program is brought to you by the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training Zanzibar in collaboration with Good Neighbors. The program is funded by KOICA.
My dear listener, if you pay attention to this program, you will learn useful things. However, this program is special for Form 1 biology learners. The program will provide free discussion on number 1, the concept of classification, number 2, the importance of classification of living things, and number 3, grouping living things according to their similarities and differences. Remember that self-assessment is allowed while you are listening to this beautiful program. For our lovely teacher, the program will help you to prepare a simple lesson for your students. Through this program, the students will learn with joy and improve their performance as well as competence. My dear listener, today our friends Salma and Musa are at home making some arrangements of building materials. They will make final preparations before visiting Sawasawa Village Reserve.
Happy, 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 radio class. Happy, 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 radio class. Happy, 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 happy,
Yes, Salma. Have you arranged all things orderly?
Yes, we have already arranged everything, but we could lift some of the stones and bricks.
You have done a wonderful job. I am so impressed.
We are used to arrange things in our school library and the laboratory.
Yes, Uncle, we do classification in those places and even in classrooms.
Okay, you say classification? What do you mean?
Classification means to keep things in good arrangement. Classification means to keep things in good arrangement.
Yes, Uncle.
Yes.
In library, the books of the same subjects are arranged and placed in one group on the shelves.
Exactly.
All right, I think it is the time to pack your bags and get in the car.
Yeah!
Why are you laughing like that?
Salma is happy because she likes to go around with a car.
Not only me, Uncle. Even him likes visiting by car.
Okay, but sometimes you should travel on foot or bicycle. Do you catch me?
Yes.
Yes.
Walking is a sort of body exercise, so walking for long distance is useful for your health.
How, Uncle?
Yeah, walking or riding make your body sweats and keeping your body healthier. Walking is a sort of body exercise, so walking for long distance is useful for your health.
How, Uncle?
Musa,
Yes?
you see, we should change our lifestyle to avoid health problems.
Health problems?
Yes.
How does it relate with lifestyles?
Some people use daladala and boda boda every time, even for a short distance.
Even though it is too much, people don't like to disturb their bodies.
Yeah, it's a poor lifestyle, and that's why health problems such as diabetes and blood pressure cases has increased in our community.
Really? Because no jogging, no walking, not doing anything that makes our body muscles active.
People are lazy. They have to engage in doing body exercise.
Look, that is the place that I told you.
Wow, it looks very nice.
You can see different species of animals and various species of plant.
Is the place natural or planted?
First, it was natural, but the villagers kept it as reserve and planted some more plants.
Salma,
Yes?
see the what birds over there?
What is the name of this place?
There is a big logo at the gate. You will read the name. Let us stop here.
Oh, read the logo, Musa.
Okay, it is Sawasawa Village Reserve.
I will wait for you here. Go to see the waiter.
Thank you, uncle.
Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
Hello.
Hey boys, welcome to our village reserve.
Thanks.
We have full plantations of different species. We have animal species and also the large dams with fish species. So how can I help you?
We learned classification at school, so our uncle sent us here to explore with vivid examples.
I can give you our staff to guide you. You can walk around and learn yourselves.
What do you say, Salma?
Thank you. We will walk around on our own. But in case of any question, we will follow you.
Okay, but also you have to be very careful, as some plants and animal species are dangerous. See you and enjoy.
Do you remember the scientific way to group these species?
Yes, I do. It is called classification. It is called classification.
Classification is the way of grouping living things according to their properties or characteristics. Classification is the way of grouping living things according to their properties or characteristics.
Yes, it is. But would you please explain further?
Yes, I will. Let's keep walking. Do you hear the songs of those birds and other animal sounds?
I see and I hear their beautiful songs and cries.
Do you think they are similar in characteristics?
I think they are similar and yet different. Wait, Salma. Which bird is that?
Don't hurry, Musa. We will go there.
Okay, go on.
Now it's your turn.
Okay,
Can you explain their difference, please?
I will try. Birds have wings, feathers, and beaks.
How about donkeys?
Donkeys have fur and teeth.
Excellent.
Thank you. Now I get your point when you said that living things are grouped according to their properties or characteristics.
Yeah, and that's why we said classification is the grouping of living things according to their similarities and differences.
This is very important topic in our lives.
Hey, look at that insect.
Where is it? Oh, the spider.
Yes. Can you count its legs?
Let us count together.
Okay.
And I think this is a dangerous fish that the waiter told us.
Yeah, we have to take care. Let us count the legs together.
Okay. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7.
8.
It has 8 legs, right?
Yes, you are right. Spider has 8 legs.
But the ants and butterflies have 6 legs each.
This is very wonderful. We are learning things practically.
Yes, this is how science is learned. We have to observe, experiment, and record data.
Really. Because living things differ in size, shapes, colors, and even history of their development. Let's go to another place.
Okay.
Stop, Musa.
Oh, yes. What do you say?
Do you know this thing that grew a decaying log?
Which one?
This with white color and looks like an umbrella.
Yes, I know it. It is a mushroom.
Good. Mushroom is also a living thing.
Hey, wow. Can we go to see the fish?
No, let us observe here first.
Okay.
So, can mushroom and grasses be kept in the same group?
I'm not sure, but I think mushroom has no green color and hence cannot make foods while grasses make their own foods.
Very good. So, all what we are doing here is the practice of classification.
You know, Salma, this is the best place to learn classification.
Of course, yes. But at home there are also living things.
It's true, and most students do not realize this. At home there are ants, houseflies, cockroaches, millipedes.
Yes, grasses, cats, cows, and so many.
Science is everywhere. We have to wake up and apply knowledge we get.
Not only classification,
Uh-huh.
almost all what we are studying at school can be learned at home, along the ways, or at the field like here.
Exactly.
Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
Hey, I think that is Uncle. It's time to go home. We cannot go around all places.
Shall we organize the other trip?
Of course, yes. We have left many places.
All right. But I am asking myself the importance of classification of living things.
Good question to brainstorm, but we'll discuss in the car. Just go to the waiter, then we will leave.
Okay.
I think it is time to go. I have other appointment at home.
It is enough, Uncle. We plan for other trip.
Okay, it will be good.
Thank you. Do you know, Salma?
I don't know.
Let us think together about the importance of classification.
Can you count all living things in the world?
Impossible. How? And where will you start?
Really, Musa? There are millions of living things in the world. However, grouping them make it easier to study and to identify them.
I see. If you know classification, you can study many living things much easier.
Absolutely. It is easier to study living things in a group
Why?
because the members of the same group have many features in common.
Can you give me an example, please?
Yes, for example, birds. There are pigeons, ducks, chickens, and crows. All belong to one group of birds.
Can you add another importance, please?
In classification,
Uh-huh.
living things are given scientific names.
Okay.
So it enables scientists and all of us to identify organisms easily.
All right, my dear Musa and Salma, I was with you in your discussion and I heard each and everything. Hopefully, even our listeners have gained a lot through your discussion. Now, here are the questions for further discussion. Question number 1. By using vivid examples, discuss with your friend the concept of classification. By using vivid examples, discuss with your friend the concept of classification. Question number 2. In your local environment, identify and classify the living things according to their groups. In your local environment, identify and classify the living things according to their groups. This is the end of our program today. Join us in the next program. Until next time, goodbye.
Happy, 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 happy. Radio class. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy. Radio class. Happy, 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 happy.
You can be a pilot, you can be a doctor, you can be a soldier, you can be a lawyer,